This program is brought to you by Western Union. Walang palya ang padala.
Good morning to everybody! Lahat po ng ating mga kamarino, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Mariveles, Bataan, sa Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific. Magandang umaga sa iyo, Admiral! And it's Saturday once more, kaya narito na naman kami para muli kayong aliwin at pasayahin ngayong umaga.
Magandang umaga, Maricel, at good morning sa inyo, mga kamarino. We have prepared an exciting episode for you today. At alam naming kapupulutan ninyo ito ng mga aral na makakatulong para mapalago ang inyong mga sarili.
Napakahangin dito at napakaganda ng panahon. Ika nga, watch and learn. Ang aming aim dito sa aming programa, pupunuin natin ng makabuluhang impormasyon ang ating mga buhay para ito maging mas makulay.
That's right, Maricel. Panibagong taon kaya't panibagong mga stories to share with you, ating mga seafarers.
Kaya let's start the ball rolling. Halina't samahan nyo kami!
Sa isang masaya at kapanapanabik na paglalayag, all aboard dito sa Yan ang Marino!
The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific recently celebrated its 15th anniversary, and we were there to witness this joyous and momentous occasion. Happy anniversary, MAAP, at congratulations po sa lahat ng bumubuo nito. Of course, my partner Admiral Eduardo Santos, congratulations! At syempre sa presidente po ng AMUSUP, congratulations!
Isang mainit na sikat ni Haring Araw ang sumalubong sa amin sa pagdating sa premyadong Maritime Academy, the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific sa Mariveles, Bataan. Kasing init ng aming pananabik na masaksihan ng isang natatanging pagdiriwang, ang 15th founding anniversary of MAAP. Makikita rin sa mga mukha ng mga kadete ang tuwa at saya. In his welcome remarks, Dr. Conrado Oca, the chairman of MAAP Governing Board, paid tribute to Captain Oca, whose legacy still lives on.
MAAP has earned a reputation of being one of the finest maritime schools in the region. The Academy has a sterling record of performance by its graduates in the Philippine government licensure examinations, with a passing average of more than 92% in both Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering and Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. This did not happen overnight, nor has it been that easy. I fully recognize that the strength of our achievements comes from our capable and dedicated academic personnel and support staff. We also have a strong curriculum that integrates knowledge and competence building, complemented with state-of-the-art facilities and equipment. But most of all, the spirit of MAAP is found in our shared conviction to continue the work started by our founder, the late Captain Gregorio S. Oca, who sought to uplift the quality of maritime education and training in the Philippines and to develop the professional maritime career of our seafarers.
Binigyang parangal din niya ang mga taong patuloy na nagpapakita ng kanilang husay at galing sa mga gawain na iniatang sa kanila. Ang okasyon ay naging higit na makulay sa pagdalo ng Secretary of the Department of Transportation and Communication, the Honorable Joseph Emilio Aguinaldo Abaya.
I am extremely proud to welcome our guest of honor on his first visit to the Academy, and at the same time, truly honored to make this formal introduction. Like MAAP, our guest of honor is relatively young, as you can see. It is probably difficult to be named after a revolutionary hero like General Emilio Aguinaldo, but as you can see, our guest has lived up to the name he has earned his own reputation as a politician, as a lawyer, as a military officer, and as a gentleman. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our guest of honor, the Secretary of the Department of Transportation and Communications, the Honorable Joseph Emilio Aguinaldo Abaya.
Ayon nga kay Secretary Abaya, sa kanyang unang pagdalaw sa prestigyosong academy,
I have long wanted to visit this institution under the leadership of Vice Admiral Santos. I've heard great things about it, and I've always wanted to see it firsthand. Probably be the best maritime institution, not only in the Philippines, not probably only in the region, but probably in the world.
sabi pa niya,
I commend likewise all of your graduates whom you have sent to the seas to serve as ambassadors of goodwill to the international maritime community, and who by their fortitude, dedication, and commitment to their loved ones at home serve to strengthen the nation and our economy. For your indomitable efforts and achievements, you have helped our country keep the Filipino seafarer as the top choice internationally when it comes to commanding ships that traverse the world's oceans. It is quite pleasing to know that Admiral Santos has institutionalized, or the leaders of MAAP has institutionalized an honor code. And believe me, leading by example is a surefire method to lead your men and women, and hopefully you'd remember that. As a naval officer, I wish everyone clear skies, moonlit nights, fair winds, and following seas. Bagamat kali po ang aking titulo, mandaragat pa rin po ako sa aking puso. Maraming pong salamat at kapalaan po tayo ng poong ito.
puno ng galak ang buong araw ng selebrasyon at sa aming paglisan, baon namin ang mga magagandang alaala na ito.
You can see at my background is very timely because this month is January. It's Dinagyang Festival in Iloilo. And I take pride because you can see the creativity of all our students. So they're not only a future gentleman and officer and maritime officer of the country globally in the world, but also they get to show their talent in terms of preparation of their booth, in terms of preparation of their costumes, and they get to promote their products in their respective regions.
As we thank our supporters today, I assure you that we will continue all our efforts. We will not leave any stone unturned, in order to ensure that we provide the most capable, the most reliable, the most competent leaders in the maritime industry. Maraming salamat po.
Captain Oka envisioned a world-class maritime academy, and after 15 years, the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific continues to nurture dreams and to raise leaders who are equipped to conquer the maritime world. The book, aptly titled Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific Mastering the Seas, is undoubtedly Captain Oka's book.
Kasabay po ng pagdiriwang ng anniversary ng Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific ay inilaunch din ang isang libro o coffee table book na nagpapakilala ng isang unyon at isang paaralan na ang tanging mithiin ay mapangalagaan ang kapakanan ng mga miyembro nito. A captain's legacy that continues to inspire seafarers all over the world.
As part of the celebration of the 15th founding anniversary of the Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific, a special coffee table book was launched. The book tells the MAAP story. According to Dr. Conrado Oca, it was high time to commission the publication of a book that will record the achievements of the Academy. It was also intended to be a fitting tribute to the memory of Captain Gregorio Oca, who with his vision and foresight was really the principal author of the MAAP story. As we flip through its pages, we saw compelling photographs and read articles which truly capture the spirit that animates the unique story of MAAP. The book, aptly titled Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific Mastering the Seas, is undoubtedly Captain Oca's book. Maria Jovita Zarate wrote in the first chapter the background on how and why the Academy was established by Captain Oca, a man she described as a consummate administrator and as an implementer, possessed with immense skills. And indeed, he was all of that and more. To guarantee excellence at sea at all times, Admiral Santos explained in Chapter 2 the solid foundation of the Academy that MAAP cadets imbibe. The roots of the Philippine seafaring traditions are traced by Sylvia Mayuga in the 4th chapter. An interesting read. In Chapter 5, Marian Roses likened MAAP to a precision instrument that will launch the Filipino seafarers into the highest strata of the global seafaring corps. The newly launched coffee table book of MAAP is a feast to be savored while enjoying your cup of tea. What a great treat!
May mga bisita at taga-assist po ng mga marinong instructor.
The engine room simulator provides the most realistic
The Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific provides state-of-the-art facilities that include notable a simulator center on a motion platform linked to a full mission engine room simulator. You've got to see it to believe it.
Upang maihanda ng husto ang mga kadete sa pagharap sa mga alon ng dagat, isang makatotohanang simulator ang ginagamit ng Maritime Academy of Asia and the Pacific, a full mission motor simulator.
Ngayon po ay nakikita natin yung Hong Kong po na area. Yung simulator na to sa Kongsberg, meron po tayong almost 32 na mga lugar. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, meron din po sa ibang bansa. May Hong Kong, para dito, Hong Kong to na lugar. Tapos, ang barko is isang ferry boat, ferry na mabilis.
The engine room simulator is comprised of LOS stations, alarm panels, and 7 mimic panels. The engine control room has the latest models of a modern ECR stations and main switchboard panels with a broiler control console.
Bali dito po, makikita yung yung specs ng barko, gaano siya kabilis, gaano siya mag-react kung ililiko mo. Tapos mamomonitor, sa program na to lahat pong mamomonitor, lahat ng movement, maneuvering. Tapos meron din po tayong mga targets, kumbaga lalagyan natin sila ng target kung ano yung reaction ng bata o yung nasa wheel, ano yung gagawin niya kung may nakasalubong. Tapos meron din po tayong mga dito, mga scenarios tulad ng current or wind. Meron din po tayong weathers, may weather po dito, weather, ulan, foggy, snow, may clouds, meron din pong malakas na ulan. Tapos, ang feature po nito is ito talaga yung sa motion naman, yung parang totoong nasa barko ka kasi gumagalaw po kasabay ng alon.
3 bansa lang sa buong mundo ang mayroon dito. Ang Australia, ang Canada, at ang Pilipinas. And only in MAAP po ito, mga kamarino. Kaya naman si Engineer Roy Aho, puspusan ng pag-iingat sa simulator. Siya ang nagsisilbing IT support.
Kami po yung nagme-maintain dito sa simulator na to, nagpapatakbo kung may mga bisita, tsaka taga-assist po ng mga marinong instructor.
The Engine Room Simulator provides the most realistic engine room simulation available today. In addition to the true physical environment, the full mission simulator offers engine room sounds, including variation in main engine speed, malfunctions in turbocharger, air filters, start-stop of pumps, oil-fired boilers and compressors, drain and safety valves.
Meron po siyang mga alarm, maybe 100, depende po sa setting ng instructor, kung 100 meters away, yung barko, aalarma na po na collision. And then pagbabangga po talaga, may maririnig po kayong tunog na nabunggo siya.
Ikaw ang bahala sa time, place, and scene na gusto mo. Maraming maidadagdag tulad ng current, icebergs, oil spills, whale, ferry, at kung ano-ano pa. By adding realistic engine room sounds, noises, and alarms, total realism is achieved.
Natututo po silang paano mag-maneuver, tsaka paano kung may kasalubong na ibang barko.
Talaga naman tulad ng kanilang mga graduates, ang MAAP has the first-class state-of-the-art equipment.
Vantage Razor super lakas, alas sa talas. Vantage Razor super tulas, champion sa pagtabas. Vantage Razor, alas sa talas, ahit na. Vantage Razor, super sa lakas, ahit na. Vantage Razor, mabibili sa inyong suking tindahan.
When we open ourselves to change, expect sparks to fly. Recognizing the need for programs which will contribute to the betterment of the maritime industry, the Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation held a series of forums. True to its mission, the Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation remains committed to develop world-class leadership. Guided by the visions of Captain Oca, Gold hosted the 4th forum with notable leaders in the maritime industry. According to Ms. Mia Morales of Gold Foundation,
Gold, or Gregorio Oca Leadership and Development Foundation, we have, our topics are the future maritime students, the graduating students, young maritime professionals, the faculty, and the officers. We are here to foster the leadership values of Captain Oca, focusing on leadership, integrity, and service. As we all know, because of the value of Captain Oca for service, Amosuk resulted from that strong value. So we would like to focus on those key values and promote it within the maritime industry.
as expected, a lively exchange of ideas occurred.
Pinag-usapan ba natin yung leadership ng maritime industry? Ano ba exactly ito? Kasi people define different things in different ways, no? And gaano ba ito importante sa mga marino, sa mga maritime education?
But courtship, if you are an officer, you are a leader, you are a manager. So it is highly important that Filipino officers of today must accept that kind of challenge and responsibility that they should be developed as leaders and at the same time as managers.
But those who are just driven because I was influenced by my colleague, or I was driven by my mother-in-law, or etc. That because I have to make money in any way, and this is the only way that I can, I know of. So therefore, I have to make the most of it.
People who are passionate about the state of the maritime industry share their thoughts about what is needed.
Nowadays, time is really good, such that when a vessel goes into first port in Asia, for example, you have 3 ports, 4 ports like that, everything are being scheduled. So that is why it is most important for the senior management level to be a really good managers.
One of the best institutions prior to 75. That's admitted. The heads of the industry before, head of Kapitoka, are actually products of BMI. Unfortunately, like nursing, which was the reverser of right? But at that time, there was only 3 schools. IMA, BMS, and BMI.
Knowledge and skill, they go together. Plus the value that you got from your family and the school where they came from. Expectation lang namin as mining company and as shipping companies. Ang barko ko is worth $50 million. Giving people who can take care of my $50 million investment. We hope that the outcome-based education that is being implemented by CHED might be able to do some changes in how the basic education for maritime students can be accomplished.
When we open ourselves to change, expect sparks to fly.
My God, our engineers are better off than the Indians, but they are recognized to become senior level officers because they are Indians. That's what I mean.
This is a question of assertiveness nga. Kasi ako, personally, ang daming pinopromote natin sa mundo. Third mate, promote mo second mate. Nasasagot sa'yo, sir, hindi ko makaya eh.
Now you take a look at most of them. We have a lot of captains here. You take them out and let them sail a sailing ship, a sailing boat. Why? Because they never sailed on a sailing boat. They went out. Why? Because
we're talking here about trying to improve how educators are in our education. I want to go back to the statement that you mentioned earlier, that only 3 to 5% are deemed competent enough.
By the look on their faces, the forum was a resounding success.
So thank you very, very much for coming over and for participating in this focus group discussion. Maraming salamat po.
Excellence in any field will only be achieved if every key players concerned are given the chance to contribute. Gold is aware of this. Thus, its door will always be opened for people and organizations whose goal is to mine the gold in the maritime world.
Marichelle Yao would like to thank Dr. Almond Derla of La Estetica, Tomas Morato Branch, with hotline 332-8604.
Kahit kailan, kahit saan, nakahanda po kami kayo ay samahan, mga kamarino. Sana po ay patuloy ninyong suportahan ang aming programa dahil ito po ay programa nyo rin. And we promise to make Yan ang Marino worth your time. Sa susunod na Sabado, 11 o'clock hanggang 11:30 ng umaga, kasabay nyo po sa inyong pananghalian dito pa rin sa PTV4, ang telebisyon ng bayan.
At kahit saan mang dako kayo ng mundo naroon, kami po ay inyong mapapanood basta't meron kayong internet access through live streaming. I-type lamang po ang www.ppni.tv.
At syempre, follow us on Twitter and like us on your Facebook. Ang aking Twitter account ay Mariao. Facebook account ay Mariao din.
Take time to have fun with your family, mga kamarino, and don't forget that they are the reason why you are working away from home.
One best tip, let love continue to bloom by keeping the communication line open. Remember, your loved ones are just a text away. Have a great weekend, mga Kamarino. See you again next week. But for now,
Anchor
bye!
Bye-bye!
This program was brought to you by Western Union. Walang palya ang padala.